One person said to me, imagine that you're on a day of judgment and watching yourself in a live movie, and you are the hero of that movie. You're the big star. And you're watching yourself wake up from bed, going to sleep, missing your fajr or praying your fajr, for example. Going here, going there, going to your school, going to your work, coming back, meeting with your parents, your cousins, your relatives, your spouse, your children, all of that, going to work, earning your money, eating, drinking, spending time with friends, in your car, what you're listening to, what you're not, what you're saying. Imagine you're watching yourself every single second. And then he said to me, if you're looking at yourself and you see you're doing something good, like let's say you're praying, and then you finish prayer and you say, Alhamdulillah, Ya Rabb, and you want yourself to keep going because you see your rank rising, and then suddenly you see yourself get up quickly and you just start doing all other things. What would you want to do on the Day of Judgment if you're looking at yourself like that? You'll say, oh my God, look, there was somebody in need of it. You could have gone and given a charity. Just get your phone and give a charity. Or maybe over there, look, your mother had needed some help, or your father, go and help them. Or, you know, that person who you upset, you could have gone and just say, hey man, let's make it up. Or anything, Yani. The idea is, you will look back at yourself and say, I wish I can go back so that I can give more in charity and good deeds and change the fate of my eternity today.